Hello, it's Ollie here from the Here We Go Again travel blog. This is the second part of our reflections video of our 10-day trip around Iceland with 2 kids. Roll those credits. So, in this part of the video, I want to just take you around the northern part of the island.
Big all-day driving day, and we've released the beasts.
Someone get
Run! Literally, once in a while, you just need to pull off, stop, and everyone goes a bit crazy. Watch out! Anyway, that's enough running around. Just want to actually show you who my 2 co-pilots are. Co-pilot 1, co-pilot 2.
Are you keeping it funny to Daddy?
And wifey has to sit in the back. Nicely planned.
You made it to the snow too. Wow. It looks cold outside.
We stopped in this beautiful campsite. Literally, we had to drive 8 kilometers off a beaten old track to find it. Anyway, let me walk you around.
Right, hello there. Right, we now got to the end of day 3 and found this absolute gem of a camping site. Here's our trusty van. I've called her Bjork, after you know who. Anyway, my divan, again, my Icelandic is very poor. So yeah, it's just beautiful. We've got these cute little kind of outhouses here. Look at that. All covered in grass. And just, I mean, we drove about 8 kilometers off the main road just to find this place, and it's just stunning. And it's just started to snow. I quickly ran outside to try and capture it, but it's obviously stopped. So yeah, hopefully we don't get snowed in.
So the northern part of our trip, we were travelling mainly across to the, probably what you consider the capital of the north, Akureyri. Stopped at Dettifoss, which, Now
in Dettifoss, which is the most powerful waterfall in the whole of Europe. So let's go check it out. It's a bit windy, we're all warmed up. Oh, right, let's just quickly talk about weather in Iceland. One moment it's sunny, the next it's windy, the next it's rainy, the next it's snowy. It is such a bizarre climate. We're just, I mean, you basically need to come prepared. Nice clothes, everyone wrapped up warm, but it's cold, it's windy, it's sunny, it's everything, it's crazy weather. And there we have, the sun's out. Hallelujah. Wow, okay, here we go. Are you ready for this? It's just incredible, the noise, the power. We're getting soaked, aren't we? Look at that! Hey, right, next stop, we have landed on Mars.
Very.
I said Mars. It feels like another planet. Ferry, and yeah, checking out these geothermal hot springs, which look amazing, if a bit smelly. Millions of years.
It's not you smelling like that. You need a shower.
So funny. Life in a camper van. You get used to the smell. Is that like a bubble bath there?
Yeah.
Right then, another stop and another waterfall. This is Goðafoss Waterfall. It's a kind of a 3-tiered waterfall. and it looks absolutely stunning. Look at it.
You okay?
Okay, and then the final point on our trip around the north was Akureyri, where we went whale watching. We did a few other things, but I think whale watching, yeah, mind blown.
Right, good morning. It's on day 5 now, and we're here in Akureyri. Now it's a day when we're not actually just jumping into the car and off we go on our merry way. So it's quite nice to actually go and have a bit of a run round. So we're just in the botanical gardens anyway. The kids love it. It's basically we're not near any waterfalls. Get off the flowers! Get off! Quickly jump off! Okay, they're causing trouble here. Bella. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap that up. But yeah, quick bit around the botanical gardens and then whale watching this afternoon. It's a bit wet, it's a bit cold, and where are we spending this afternoon?
Oh, on a boat. Whale watching. Yeah. I hope it's warm inside.
Yeah, time to wrap up and get some good food in us.
I think it's like it's June and you hope at least you get some sunshine. Nope, in Iceland, no. If you're looking for warm holidays, don't pick Iceland.
Okay. Just want to quickly just do a quick walk around our camper van here. So this has basically been our home for 10 days.
Yeah, good.
So we've got the kids in the front,
Ballerina.
and then
Don't look
here
at
we
the
go.
mess.
It's a bit messy, but that's where I sleep up there, and then this converts into the bed. Okay, let's look. Oh look! There it is!
Anyway, thank you very much for watching this second part. You can find the first part, if you haven't seen that, in the link below, or you can find the final part around the southern part, around Reykjavik and the Golden Circle, below as well.